Hi guys, today we are going to be taking a look at beginning your personal narrative, but there's a couple other things I'd like you to take care of for me. Okay, so the first thing is, obviously we're here in the Marking Period 1 folder. Marking Period 1 is coming to a close, so here we are in the week of October 19th. So if you open this folder, there's a folder for today, Thursday, and you'll see a link to this video right here. And then also a link to a new assignment called the personal narrative. Now, the first thing I want you to do before you even worry about the personal narrative is take care of signpost journal number 2. Many of you have started it. Some of you have already submitted it, but keep in mind I did take a look at this last night, and some people need to work on it still. So I did unsubmit some ones that are not complete, or ones that are missing some things. Okay, take a look at the signpost journal requirements. You can find those in the assignments folder. For the personal narrative, this is going to be the beginning of our next writing block. So we are going to be telling a story that happened to us. If you remember yesterday, we started our writing territories, and we started thinking about all those different moments, events, and things that we could write about at length. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of them, and start putting it into a story. Start thinking about how we can tell that tale, tell that story. So you have two options here. You can go into this assignment on Schoology and open up your own document, or you can write this on paper in your writing notebook, your black and white writing notebook, which is back by my desk. So using one of your writing territories, I just want you to first get your ideas down. Just start by telling the story. What happened? Look at some of the things I wrote here. A personal narrative is a story that's written in first person that actually happened. So what I really want to hear is, from your point of view, what are the things that went on, whether it was the events, the memories of a certain place or a certain event. But just get your thoughts down on paper. That's all I really want you to do for today. Eventually, we're going to be working through adding dialogue, adding some more descriptive writing. We're going to put all those pieces into our personal narratives. But for today, all I want you to do is get your ideas down here. So either on this document in Schoology, or in the next blank page in your writer's notebook. Okay? Please email me if you have any questions, and I'm more than happy to help you out.